today's the day. I'm going to the office to pack up some boxes right now, so that's where I'm going to take you. The shoe shelves have been cleared back there. The clothing's being cleared. I'm clearing these shelves. Afternoon vlog. It's Thursday. I'm headed to the office to check on a few things because we packed everything mostly, but I'm hearing we're out of boxes, so I need to place another order, figure that out. You saw the significant move progress we've made. I'm in the office again tomorrow figuring out the last couple of things that we need to get the volunteers on to pack boxes up to be ready for Monday, but it's really coming together. We're gonna pull out a couple of tables from the back area to make it easier for things to go through that big open space that is now there so that people can take the shelving units down, stuff like that. So yeah, the move in itself is going well. This is gonna be my last Friday working in the office, and that's gonna be very exciting and also sad because I'm gonna have to go from having a short commute to having to get on a couple of SkyTrains, so that's gonna be a bit of an adjustment. Good morning and happy move day. It's 7:30 and they'll be there in 30 minutes. All right. it is late. I've been up since 5:30, as we know. This is my office and my boss. This area needed a day 2. This did not happen in one day because the walls are concrete. It's a whole thing. One space. They're still bringing up half the Kalik, so there's tons, but big open space here. Our couches are here. I just showed you my office. This is one of the other offices. Tertiary office here, biggest one over right. And our meeting room, which is gonna house everything until we can deal with it. Closet in here, which is great. Receptionist area, so that's getting all sorted out. It's 10 p.m. There are 3 of us here and all the movers. I'm delirious at this point. It's the next afternoon. I got back at like 11:30 p.m. I did a 17-hour day yesterday almost. Was exhausted beyond words. I was kind of just sitting there and eventually fell asleep. But you know when you just do so much, you're just kind of like wired awake even though you're exhausted. Once I fell asleep, I was down for the count. Excellent. I did take the morning off on purpose because I knew I wasn't going to be able to wake up and function. So I didn't start work until 1. And now I'm starting to change addresses for work, which I already had to do anyway. But I'm also packing up stuff that I want to bring to the new office tomorrow to set up because I do want to decorate my desk and have that space be mine. So I'm looking through some of the stuff that I have in this apartment that I brought back from the office that I was at before we moved out. And then I have other things like photos and stuff that I want to bring over because I have some possessions and things that I would like to live in my workspace there as opposed to here. I have most of the stuff put together, like all the photos I printed last week. The Trudeau photo is going to go on our bookshelf in that office, in my office as well. But the other thing that I'm like trying to see if I really want to move is this little clock. I have this little clock here, but I hardly ever use this desk anymore because I sit out there where there's sunshine hitting my face. So I'm feeling like some of this maybe gets to come. So I'm going to kind of work through this a bit, but I do like this clock a lot and we might put one up on our wall, but I just do like how this generally looks on one's desk. So I got a few things for the home and for the office, and I'm not sure which ones will be where, but I think I'm gonna bring most of them tomorrow and see where they fit in terms of like office supply stuff. I bought 2 more picture frames because I want to put a picture on my desk and add it to like the Trudeau lineup. I think I'm gonna put this one in the office because it's bigger. I got this box. I got another one because I had those 2 over there that store photos. This I think I will bring to the office because I think it'd be good to have this like on my desk. I got 2 journals because the journals at HomeSense are really inexpensive. So this one just screamed spring and summer to me. They're little lemons. I got this other book that said write it down. Love it. Hardcover, $7. So this one is a very unique candle holder. I've never seen anything like it. And it's so random, but I loved the color. And the candlesticks just go in the top here. Oh, will the battery die before I finish this? Next item is a gravy boat. I know it's random, but it was $4.99, so it's very unique gravy boat. This will stay. And finally, there's this liquid vase, big vase. It's pretty. And that's the haul. Good morning from the new office. All of these have been hung. Through a combination of not enough sleep and taking the SkyTrain to work for the first time, I actually managed to spill applesauce in my pocket all over the lens of this GoPro, so bear with me while I figure it out in the next few clips. My space is looking really nice. My boss put this together yesterday because she's over here and I'm over here. Is there applesauce all over here? Oh my god, that's better. It's not though. I'm gonna sit here and set up my space. Window will be behind me. That's fine though, because I'll have like wall space here to put stuff up, which I'm psyched about. And yeah, this is what we've got. Got our printer set up. I have my desk mostly sorted. sorted-ish. It'll get better. It'll get a lot better, but I have everything laid out almost, so that's exciting. A couple more things in here. There went my keyboard. And that can actually stay here now. Yeah. Ooh, here are the tacks for the photo wall. And I bought snackies that I will put in my desk. I might be really backlit, I'm not sure, but there's a Bao bakery near us. So I went and I got the barbecue pork bun that I couldn't not start. Like, I just dug into it right away. And then I got a hot dog bun for later because I didn't have breakfast today. It's so good. We're making moves. You've seen the change room time lapse, but we also have couch coming in and shoes going up. Okay. Finally home, and the real MVP of the day is my hair, because I tied this really high top bun up at like 11:50 last night. I slept with it and I woke up and it was like this, and it held itself all day. I did not touch my hair, so that's pretty amazing. I'm very proud of it. You saw my desk, it was all set up, and I'm not back until Friday, thankfully, so I can just like get my work done at my house. I might bring one of my plants to the office though, because we're running out of room here, and I think the newest one that I got I can definitely transport to the office. I think this one would be much happier in the office. I just like the vase a lot, so yeah, I'm gonna bring this there. Hair update. So 2 sleeps, 1 nap yesterday. It's coming down now, but this bun lasted me a good long while, so I'm not bummed at all. Woo! So I've made some lovely updates to the space in a sense that I added one thing, which was my beautiful plant. I brought this on the sky drain today. It traveled very well. And it's adding a nice pop of green to the space that I really enjoy, because this was looking great in our place, but we don't have a lot of surfaces, so I just really wanted to make sure that it had a great home, and hopefully it doesn't die while I'm away for like 2 weeks later this month. So the desk has been set up. From the sky, it's just raining too much. It's getting like whipped. It's just terrible weather, but at least we have warm drinks.